I'm Dan Gookin, author of these books on Word, and here's today's Word tip. Word's highlighter tool is great for marking up text without drawing directly on the computer monitor, which is a joke I've told since this feature was first introduced years ago. It still gets a laugh. I use the highlighter to draw attention to various parts of the text. Items that I may need to address later are stuff that I need to deal with in the text. I might even change colors depending on the reason for why I need to mark up the text. It's a great tool. But remember, text highlighting is not a text attribute. Not like underline, bold, or italics. It's different. See my other video for details. Even so, say you want to purge the highlighter from your document, or maybe you have a huge document where you want to find those specific tidbits of highlighted text. Yes, you can use the find command to make it happen. Now, don't press Control F, which I'm doing right now, because it brings up the navigation pane, which doesn't help you in this instance. Instead, press the Control H keyboard shortcut to bring up the Find and Replace dialog box and click the Find tab. Leave the Find What box blank. Click the More button to expand the dialog box, revealing its vast quantities of goodies. From the Format button, choose Highlight. Yes, highlighter is not a format, but don't tell this dialog box. Click the Find Next button, and the next instance of highlighted text is displayed. You can page through your entire document using this method. It finds highlighted text.
Can you use this trick to remove the highlighting?
You sure can, but you gotta be careful. Back in the Find and Replace dialog box, click the Replace tab. Now, if you click the Replace or Replace All button now, you would effectively delete all highlighted text in the document. Not only the highlighting, but the text as well. This is what you're telling Word to do. Find any text with the highlight attribute and replace it with nothing. That's probably not what you want.
That's not what I want.
Right. So click in the Replace with box. Now choose the highlighter format again, and choose it again. There's the secret. The highlighter will be replaced with not highlighter, and it doesn't matter even what color it is. So let me move this out of the way. We'll do Find Next, Replace, it's removed, Replace, it's removed, Replace All, and all the highlighter is gone from the document. More nifty tricks are found in my Word books.